Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about cleaning and maintaining your instrument. As you can see from the image, we have Ernie Wonder Wipes combo pack here. These can be purchased at many music stores. This pack comes with 3 items to maintain and clean your guitar. It comes with 3 string cleaners. This item can be used after playing for a long time, and it keeps your strings clean and it removes all the dirt and sweat that may have built up. Please be careful using any string cleaner on coated strings as it can damage the coating. It comes with 2 instrument polishes, so if your guitar, ukulele or any instrument made of wood has got smear marks on or dirt marks on, that can remove it. And finally, there is 1 fretboard conditioner to put on your fretboard to maintain it in good order. As with all cleaning products, please read the warnings on the back. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School. Until next time, goodbye.